Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can hear, it is very echoey in here, and also you will just have to excuse my voice. I have been so ill this past week. I don't know if I've had COVID or what, but honestly, this illness has took me off my feet. I've had like flu symptoms, my throat has been horrific, I've been so snotty, and just like zero energy. But yeah, here we are, I'm powering through. But today's video is super exciting. If you don't know already, I have just moved back home and Gary, my stepdad, has redone my room for me, like redecorated and everything. But I have also been kindly gifted a brand new bed. Now, I have had my eye on this bed for so long, and yeah, I'm so excited to be showing you it today. So I'm going to be bringing it upstairs, putting it together because it's just been delivered. So Gary's going to help me bring it up, pop it all together. In this video, I am partnering with Sonno beds. So thank you so much to you guys for gifting me this bed and mattress. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys the bed and the whole setup. If you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my TikTok and my Instagram because you'll be seeing this bed over there as well. And yeah, let's just get on into putting this bed together. So this is what the room looks like. I'm gonna make the bed here. I think I want the backboard on, I want the headboard on this back wall. Obviously you've got all the paneling, and then the walls are like this off, like it's like a grey, you can't really see on camera, but it's like a really light grey white colour. And that's my ensuite there. But yeah, I've already got my computer in because I've been obviously using my computer. But yeah, so that is the plan, and that is where the bed is going to go. And obviously we've just moved everything out of here for now. It's all on the landing and in my sister's room for now. Just so then obviously we can build the bed and get it all set up. This is how it all comes packaged. So you get the 4 different bits. So obviously this is the bottom. I chose the ottoman bed, so that's the one that lifts up. So it attaches, it clips together, and basically lifts up. Obviously I'll show you all of that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it all comes packaged, all wrapped really nicely. It's all like bubble wrapped. But yeah, it comes in 4 bits. So you've got the headboard, the 2 bottom bases, like the bottom of the bed, and then the little end bit of the bed that attaches to match the headboard, so it all looks really nice and obviously matching. But yeah, so I'm going to get to ripping it all apart now, and then attaching it all together, and then we can see it all assembled. And then I've also got one of the Sonno mattresses to go on top as well. I think it's very straightforward by the sounds of it, so that is an absolute bonus as well. So here is what it looks like with obviously all the wrappers off. How gorgeous is the headboard? So obviously you've got this, which is the anti-slip for your mattress. And then like I said, I have chosen the ottoman bed. So it literally just lifts up like so. We haven't tightened the bit that obviously holds it up yet. As you can see, the pole is there. On each side you get the little foot legs, and then the bolts as well to fix the headboard where those little black slits are over there, to fit the headboard to the bottom of the bed. But yeah, so this is what the bottom of the ottoman bed looks like on that side. Obviously you get the foot legs and everything, and then Gary's already took the feet out of that one, which are just there on the windowsill. Inside the actual ottoman bed as well, it's really solid. Like the bottom of the bed's solid. Sometimes you'll find that they're not quite so solid, but these ones really are, as you can see. And I love the inside of it as well. I love the wood effect that they've popped on it. It actually looks nice. It's not an eyesore. But yeah, I'm loving it at the minute, and it is super soft as well, as you can see. It's like a really nice plush velvet light grey colour, because obviously the room is grey, so we thought a light grey would go perfectly. And then it's also got these little silver detailings along the side of the headboard too. I've always wanted a winged headboard, and yeah, this is just perfect. I'm gonna get on to building the rest of it, and obviously you can watch and see what we do. The headboard's got these slots in, which means that you can alter the height of the headboard, because basically it comes with two of these in each side, and obviously you can tighten them and loosen them, and pop the headboard to however high or low you want it. So what we're going to do is obviously keep the headboard on the floor as it is, and then pop these into the bed frame, the actual bed. And then obviously I can see where I want the headboard then, once the mattress is on top.
My heart destroyed my confidence. Yeah. Even though I played it cool, my head's on fire. So if you're gonna let me down, please be nice about it. Just lie and make up something I don't mind if it don't make sense. 'Cause honestly, I'd rather live in ignorance. Wish I didn't care.
As you can see, it is currently the next day. I am looking different. Last night it got really super late, so we decided to finish off, obviously, the bed, finish off what we were doing, and then literally just leave it. So I actually didn't sleep in this bed last night, but I'm going to have my first night's sleep in it tonight, which I'm super excited about. But we still do need to make the bed and everything. I haven't put the covers on it yet. Like I say, it got really dark outside. The lighting started to go really bad. I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to show you the bed. We have also brought my side tables in now as well. So I've got my bedside table and then my Alex drawers as well next to the bed, and it all looks so amazing. I can't wait to see what it all looks like all together, which will be in a different vlog as well, so make sure you watch out for that one. But yeah, let's get this bedding on the bed and ready for me to sleep in it tonight. I can't wait to sleep in it because this mattress is so comfy. Like, just by sitting on it, I can tell how comfy it is, so I cannot wait to sleep in it. So here is the bed. How amazing does it look? I'm obsessed. So I have put my little lamp there beside my table, my little bedside table. I do want to take these gold bits off here though, because I don't like them anymore. And then obviously I've got my Alex drawers here as well, but just look at the headboard. I love it. And then I've also got my neon Ellie Victoria light that's going to go up here on the wall. And yeah, when it all comes together, it's going to look insane. But anyway, let's get this bedding on the bed. The bedding I'm going for is this one. It's one of my favourites. I had this at mine and Sam's house, and it's just going to go perfectly, I think, with this bed, obviously, because of the grey and the white. Hi, this is Ellie coming in from the future. I just wanted to let you guys know my thoughts and feelings on the bed and how I slept and everything, because I think tonight will now be my 5th night sleeping in this bed. And let me tell you, like, honestly, such a good night's sleep. Like, that first night was amazing. It's like sleeping on a cloud. The mattresses are firm but so soft. Like, it supports your back so nicely. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know how I found it. And yeah, I absolutely love this new mattress.
Nice about it. No, no, no. Oh, I'm just gonna wait it out and properly process when you let me down, let me down.
That is my new Sonno bed and mattress, all complete, and I cannot wait to sleep in it tonight. I am so excited, and I know I'm gonna get the best night's sleep ever because this mattress is just the comfiest mattress I've ever sat on. I will leave all of the links in the description down below for you guys. So the link to this bed that I've got here and the link to the mattress. This bed is called the Monaco Ottoman Divan bed. The colourway is silver plush velvet and it's a 54-inch floor standing headboard with fabric buttons. I did get mine in a standard double, and the mattress that I chose was the Sonno Luxury Cloud mattress, and that was obviously a double too. If you do have any questions on anything, then make sure you leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I do want to thank Sonno Beds again for gifting me this bed and mattress. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for giving me my dream bed. I cannot wait for countless nights of perfect sleep. If you're currently in the midst of wanting to redo your bedroom or you need a new bed, then definitely take a look on Sonno Beds because they have got so many options on there of beautiful beds. I really struggled to pick which bed I'd like because they are just all stunning, but I really wanted the Ottoman bed because I just love the fact that it lifts up and you've got so much extra storage under there. That was like one of the main priorities for me, definitely to have all of that storage. It's just so spacious and fab. But yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my other social medias. Definitely make sure you go follow Sonno Beds over on their social media as well. I'll leave it linked in the description down below for you guys so then you can find it easily. But yeah, I'll see you next time for a brand new video. Bye!